Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is already 6:25 and I have been awake since 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to recover some video footages. Yesterday I was trying to edit video, but I don't have much space on my computer, and so I was trying to factory reset my laptop, but then I accidentally erased the footages from this SD card. That SD card contains 1 week of vlog. It includes the one that I went to Palm Beach and then Sydney and Double Bay. Yeah, those vlog is accidentally deleted. And I am hoping for it to be recovered. Now I am hungry and I'm going to prepare my meal. I'm just going to make a fried rice. Should I use this to make fried rice? Yeah, I use this. Still good. I actually have some rice here. Yeah, this is rice. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, even this one is rice. I press it because I don't want to waste it. So in the future, I'm going to cook that as a porridge. Or maybe I can also bring that for camping. I am day off today, also yesterday. And yeah, actually, me and Dinigo, we are supposed to go on a camping. But yeah, it was very rainy 2 days ago and yesterday, and so it was cancelled. Inigo is actually ready with all the ingredients, all the food that he's going to cook while camping, but yeah, it was raining, and so he decided to just come here and cook here. He cooked some hickory spare ribs, and those Inigo's cooking was also on that SD card, so it's erased also, deleted also. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so it recovers this. Let's play that. Let's play this also. Yeah, they recovered only the short videos. Let's check the other files. Reconstructed this one. If I place that, it's error. So my data recovery did not work. Yeah, it's wasted. Yeah, it's a 1 week of vlog, especially when I went to Sydney. That deleted videos are actually a good vlogs. Yeah, because that one I walk around in Double Bay, and Double Bay is the place where most of the high earnings people, the people who earns a lot of money, the most money here in Australia, they live there in Double Bay. So Double Bay is the richest suburbs here in Australia. Yeah, I have no hope that I am going to recover these footages. And because I have nothing to edit, we're going to drive somewhere so that I will have an upload tonight or maybe tomorrow. Yeah, we are here in Cessnock. Yeah, the name of the town is Cessnock, and this is actually the biggest town here in the Hunter Valley. Hunter Valley is the oldest wine making region place here in Australia. Basically, if you get out of this town and you go to the suburbs or the rural area, you're going to see all the wine plantation. No, grapes for the wine. Here in Cessnock, they have all the popular Australian brands. Super Cheap Auto, Anytime Fitness, BCF, Big W, Ripco, Aldi. Yeah, but I actually have nothing to buy. My goal this time is to eat, so we are going to look for a restaurant, a local one, not KFC, not McDonald's. There are a few Jacaranda inside of this park. Oh, this park that I am talking about is actually the Cessnock War Memorial. I can see from here that there are the lists. Maybe they are soldiers from the 1914 to 1918, World War II, 1939, 1945. I just realized that I've been here before. Yeah, actually, that was when I was with John, Charlene, and then we meet Christopher and his wife. Yeah, they are actually living just near here in Cessnock. Christopher is also my colleague when I was working in Dubai. We'll keep on walking until we find a restaurant. Looking at it, this is the main road here in Cessnock. There is heading to the residential area. And do you know that here in Australia, this one is free to use? Yeah, you don't need to put any coin, you don't pay it. Yeah, it's free to use. If you want to call anyone here in Australia, you can use that for free. Maybe this is the best restaurant here in Cessnock. Parking is still free in here. There is just a 1 hour limit, particularly in this shopping street. There is a nice cafe over there. Yeah, maybe we are going to eat there. But I can see that there is kind of a stairway going to the hill. We're going to explore that. Oh yeah, this is already the residential area. I'm not sure if it is allowed to get up there. And yeah, police station, I can see it's over there. This is a fire station. This is the view that I am seeing. Yeah, nice. I can see the mountain. Yeah, you can see the different colors of, I mean the violet colors of the Jacaranda. Look at that area. You see all the Jacaranda, lots of trees, roof of the houses, and then the mountain. Nice. You know, this thing is becoming standard. Yeah, in most of the walking trail here in Australia, you're going to see this this material. It looks like a cement, but like also a rubber thing. Yeah, also looks like a metal, but not totally. Oh, they also made this like viewing area, but not yet finished. And there's a way going there, but we keep going up. Yeah, we're not going to see much of the town because it is covered by the trees. Yeah, keep on walking. Hopefully I'll get back to that restaurant. Yeah, it looks nice. You can see McDonald's, Toyota, Nissan, Hyundai. Yeah, nice. But there is another way going up here. Yeah, we're going to explore this. Okay, I think this is just a residential area. Yes, it is. Yeah, residential area. Yeah, this Jacaranda. Yeah, actually making the place beautiful. You can see the layer of the mountain and then the trees. Yeah, nice. Okay, we are going down. And there is actually this big, maybe it's water tank. I'm not sure. Actually, that's the idea whenever I see something like that. A water tank. I don't know if it is visible here, but yeah, there's so many Jacaranda, right? Yeah, it's beautiful. And we are now down here near the police station. Oh, look at that, there is a Mahindra. Yeah, Mahindra is a brand of a vehicle, you know, an Indian brand. This is my very first time to see a Mahindra, you know, car dealer. I am now feeling the heat. Yeah, wearing this sweater jumper. This is the Cessnock Hotel, established in 1908. Yeah, that's very long time. They have a stadium on that side, sports center. Nice. I suddenly felt shy to eat in that restaurant that I'm saying. Okay, we go this way. Hopefully there is another restaurant here that I like. It is not allowed to get through this bridge. It is written over there. So they have a footbridge here. Very small river. No water almost. I don't know. Yeah, so I was just coming from inside. I feel like I'm going to eat in KFC. Yeah, KFC is okay. Or Taco Bell. No, I'm not really a big fan of tacos. Taco Bell is pretty new here in Australia. Maybe 5 or 4 years ago when it started. I was sitting there for about 1 hour. Not so busy, but the guests, the customer are continuous. Yeah, so it's good. I am going to try this Taco Bell next time when I am with someone, when I am with friends. Yeah, but not when I am alone. And that basically how it is for me. I try things that I don't like when I am with other people. Yeah, not necessarily I don't like, it's just that I prepare the things that I like when I am alone. In case you don't know, yeah, the 7-Eleven here in Australia is sometimes a petrol station. Yeah, 7-Eleven, but it's a petrol station. In the Philippines, 7-Eleven is just the usual convenience store. I'm not going to buy a coffee in 7-Eleven. I actually have coffee in the bun. For sure it's still hot. It's actually very blinding. Yeah, that's why I'm wearing a sunglass. Yeah, because of the very white clouds. If it is blue sky, a plain blue, it is just okay, not blinding. The only church that I have been inside is the St. Mary's Church in Sydney. Yeah, it's like a tourist spot in Hyde Park, but never been to any other church. This one looks like a close. I don't want to be closer to the door because maybe it's trespassing. Yeah, beautiful, huh? And this is already a residential area. There is a big park on that side. I'm just going to take a picture of this. Oh, it's actually dead end. It is already 1 o'clock. I spent $16 for that KFC meal. Now I'm going inside this Aldi just to see the weekly special they have. Yeah, they have a lot of weekly special here. Also, this Aldi is big. This one is good. Cardboard organizer. If I still have my chimney, I'm going to buy this one. This is good for the back of the chimney. Also this one, universal dust tray. And this one, I actually already have this one, so I don't need. So I just get this. It's blueberry and apple. Where is that? Where's my car? Yeah, that's where I park, inside here. I was not aware that I actually park in the Leagues Club and a hotel car park. Yeah, it's hot inside here. There are some tourist attraction in most places. Yeah, like in Cessnock, there is a zoo, and there is also a vineyard, you know. Yeah, there are many others tourist attraction here, but I usually don't go in a place like that because I prefer to go there when I am with the friends. Yeah, because usually some of the friends, yeah, they want to go in a place like that, just in a place like that. And for me, I like to explore the place, the town. Yeah, I enjoy doing that. not just going to a particular zoo or particular vineyards or particular tourist attraction, not just like that.